The word we'll be learning in this video is 押さえる, which you will often hear in physical actions, conversations about emotions, and study or meeting situations. For example, press the button, hold him down, grasp the main points. Mastering these uses will help you understand natural Japanese faster and sound more confident in conversation. So let's get started. 押さえる, 押さえる. The word 押さえる means to press down, hold back, or grasp key points. You can use 押さえる when talking about physically pressing something like a button, keeping someone or something in place, stopping an emotion from showing, or making sure you understand the main points of a talk or document. In short, 押さえる covers pressing or holding something down, and also holding an idea or reaction under control. The first kanji means push or press. Its core image is pressing against something to move it or keep it down. You can see this in the word 押す, which simply means to push, and where the kanji gives the pushing action. Another example is 押し入れ, which means closet, a space where items are pushed in, showing the idea of pushing into a place. This kanji often appears when the action involves pressing, pushing, or holding something down. Hold that down. Press there. そこを押さえて。そこを押さえて。Lowered one's voice. 声を押さえた。声を押さえた。Grasp the main points. 要点を押さえる。要点を押さえる。Can suppress, control one's emotions. 感情を抑えられる。感情を抑えられる。If you press, hold the wound. 傷口を抑えれば。傷口を抑えれば。The most common synonyms of the 押さえる are 押さえる and 止める. 押さえる emphasizes suppressing or controlling something immaterial. For example, emotion, appetite, costs, and is often used for limiting or restraining. It overlaps with 押さえる's sense of holding something down, but leans toward control suppression. 止める focuses on stopping motion or fastening something in place. Compared with 押さえる, 止める is more about preventing movement or making something stop, rather than pressing or restraining lightly. The most common antonyms of the 押さえる are 離す and 緩める. 離す means to let go or release something held, directly opposing the physical hold down sense of 押さえる. 緩める means to loosen tension or make something less tight or strict, opposing the restraining or tightening meaning of 押さえる. While 押さえる implies applying pressure or restriction, 緩める implies reducing that pressure or restriction.